Sorry, who's second? I'm going to show you the entry. Oh, yes, Eleanor's entry. Yes, that's you.
You've got a body roll.
It's got the blonde hair then.
You can see the detail.
That was at the Bulldog Festival. Came second. You went on to win the school Christmas poster competition. It's a no very four-legged Robin. Very good.
Hey, my presents.
The beginning of things to come, Eleanor. Your artistic talent.
Robin's a bit big, isn't it?
At school, you excelled at maths. Everything you just took in your stride, really, didn't you? You're a very laid-back child. And that sums up your very nature. Actually, I've got your very first school report here. So Eleanor's first reception report. See if you think you can stop the child. Eleanor is a confident child who thoroughly enjoys the company of both her peers and adults alike. She has a delightful sense of humour and always has something of interest to talk about. She's working hard at concentrating at the task in hand and not being so interested in what everyone else is doing. All your dreams come true. You wrote a poem when you were 6. And it's called, I don't know if you remember it, it's called Be Happy.
Read it out.
There we go, look at that handwriting. Be happy.
Read it out.
It would make me happy if I could score a goal in a football match. It would make me happy if I had a pet elephant. It would make me happy if I was a very great witch. It would make me happy if I was as pretty as a flower.
That's a good point.
Happy birthday, Eleanor, and I hope you are very good.
Thank you everyone for coming. I've had a really nice birthday. It's really nice of you to come. I'm enjoying myself, so thank you. Good. Cheers!
Cheers!
And thank you, Mum and Dad, for paying for everything.
You're welcome.
Happy birthday, dear Elia. Happy birthday to you. Hey.
Come on, blow it out.
Yeah, you got to blow it out. Hey! No, don't blow it out, you've got to put your tongue in it.
Make it weird.
No, don't blow it. You don't respond.
Impressive.
Is it cheesecake? That cake is lovely.
Go on then, cut the cake.
Who made the cake? Is it? Is it that cake is lovely.
Put it with that. Right with that.
Wait, drop it.
Cut it with your... Go to the cat. Bring it over to the stage.
Give it to the